Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and we have a brand new launch in the Indian beauty subscription market. It's an affordable box named as Ayan Mini and priced at just ₹550 plus shipping. There is personalization available for the jewelry. So without any further delay, let's get started. Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So this is how the package has reached me. So inside the brown cardboard box, here are all the products and they are very nicely bubble wrapped, like individually bubble wrapped. So let's open it up and see what all we have. So let me start with the skincare section, and the first product here is this Fuchsia Activated Charcoal Detoxifying Face and Body Scrub. It has aloe vera, vegetable glycerin, wheat germ oil, charcoal powder, olive oil and almond peel. This is how the product looks like. And the cost of this product is 450 rupees for the 100 grams full size tub. It is manufactured very freshly in January 2018 and I have actually used this product already and I absolutely love it. As such, I love activated charcoal products and Fuchsia has amazing activated charcoal products. I love the scrub and the activated charcoal face pack both. So I'm very happy to receive this. And it is a full size product, so it is going to last for quite long. Along with that, we have another Fuchsia product and it is the Day to Wear Mud Mask of 50 grams. It has raw cocoa, oatmeal, white kaolin, vitamin E, Indian bentonite, chocolate and frankincense essential oil. Here are the directions for use. And the cost of this is also 450 rupees. It is in a powder form, and again I have used both full size and sample size product of this. This is very good. It actually removes all the oil from your face, even from inside the pores, but it doesn't make your skin feel very dry or tight or something. So I really like this mask, and especially during summers I love mud masks, the multani mitti kind of masks, because they really make my skin get rid of all the oil and look very fresh. I'm definitely very happy with this too. These are like two full-size products from Fuchsia, so I'm quite happy there. Then we have this Wadi Strawberry Lip Balm Ultra Moisture Lock, and this is for 45 rupees, expires in January 21. February 18 is manufacture. Here are the key ingredients. It has steamed distilled strawberry extract, vitamin E, organic honey, soy oil and pure almond oil. I have used a Wadi lip balm before. It was in the chocolate variant and it was quite good. Lip balm is like a very essential day-to-day product. I use it every night before going to sleep, so I'm always happy to get lip balms. Then we have this Juice Long Stay Nail Paint, and this is a beautiful plum shade. I love such plum purple kind of shades and I absolutely love this one. The shade is sent randomly, but I definitely love it a lot. It has 11 ml of product and MRP is 60 rupees. Expiry is also mentioned as October 2019. I have used a couple of Juice nail paints. They are quite decent, so this is also good. Now moving to jewelry section, at first we have this neck piece. So this is how the neck piece looks like. It has this ribbon kind of back, so you can tie it, and this is how the front looks like. And as you can see, it is so sparkly, so shiny. I absolutely love it. Definitely a statement piece, a party wear piece, and this is in white color, so it will suit all your outfits. And I feel this is something that you use as a proper necklace. The stones are really shiny. I like it. They do have some other design choices for this and I am showing them here, so you can choose any one of these. And then there is a small and cute earring like this. They have similar design with different colors. The one I chose is in red color and it's pretty cute, very casual wear, something you wear with suits or kurtis or jeans on day-to-day basis to office and college. So I did like it. And then there is another cute pair of studs here. And this is how they look. It's in a dark banginy purple color, that banginy color we say, and I just love the color, and it has this velvet kind of cloth finish, and these are very two cute hearts. I actually love this. I really liked it a lot. It's very cute and quirky, and especially the color. I have so many clothes in this color. This color really suits me a lot, so I'm very happy to get this. Now after that, we have got some personal hygiene products as well. So at first we have this Max Premium Wet Wipes. freshening and cleansing wipes. These are like single packets. These are alcohol free, and we have got 3 packets like these. Each is priced at 3 rupees. And then we also have these very cute and small hand sanitizer packets. It says enriched with vitamin E and tea tree oil, kills up to 99.9% germs. And these, I like it more because they are so small and cute, and they will even fit in your pocket, and you can definitely keep them in even your wallets, not even handbag. You can keep them inside your wallet. So very travel friendly. You can take this with you anywhere, and I really liked it. Very useful products and very small and cute packaging. Now after that, finally we have a big full-sized eatable as well. So this is the Quaker Nutri Upma breakfast mix. It is whole grain advantage powder with 40% oats, and all these details are mentioned here. It cooks in 7 minutes, that's good, and it is for 45 rupees. Best before 30 April 2018. Here are the cooking instructions and everything is mentioned. I think this will cook for an entire family one time. I don't think this is for a single person. At least 2 to 3 people can have it, I believe. I'm not sure though. So I'm definitely happy to receive this. I will definitely try it soon. As I told recently in one of my videos, I do not get time to cook breakfast usually. So it is good to have such breakfast mixes which cook very soon. I have done a video on the Indian working women breakfast routine. So if you haven't watched it yet, click on the I right here, and I will also leave a link in the description box. So please do check it out. I hope it will be helpful for you in some way. Now we have also received a info card or letter like this. So let's open and see what it has. So as expected, we have this info card here. So here they say they want you to answer this questionnaire to help you deliver the best gifts as per your needs and skin. So they ask about skin type, skin color, skin problems, any treatments, hair problems and all these things, hair type, your choice, etc. And here are the pricing details for the Ayan Mini Box. At first they say the best foundation you will ever wear is a healthy glowing skin, and that is so true. I totally believe in that. You should take care of your skin first, because without a good skin your makeup will not look good. It will look patchy and as if it is just sitting on your face. It looks really bad. A good skincare is really important to have a good flawless makeup as well. Now here are the pricing details. We already know the price of both the fuchsia products are 450 each. Vadi Herbals Lip Balm also we read as 45. Juice Nail Enamel is written as 150, but it is actually for 60 as read on the bottle itself. So I will go with 60. Diamond neck choker is mentioned as 450. Diamond earrings are mentioned as 60. Then alcohol free wet wipes are for 9. Same was mentioned. Hand sanitizer is for 8 for all the 3. Then the Quaker breakfast mix was also mentioned as 45 on the packet. And there is a free gift for 80 rupees. I believe that is the heart-shaped earring. Then total worth of the products is mentioned as 1747. And this Ayan Mini is priced at just rupees 550 plus shipping. Here are the contact details and the Insta handle. So here are all the products. Considering the total worth being more than 3 times the box price, it is definitely a great launch box. There are good trusted brands in the box, organic and full-size skincare products. So big thumbs up for that. And secondly, this is a complete package with beauty products, jewelry, personal hygiene and eatables. Packaging also, I was very impressed. The box is in perfect condition. Everything was nicely bubble wrapped. And overall, it is definitely a value for money box. If this is how the launch box looks, I am pretty sure they're gonna be great in future as well. In fact, they have sent some sneak peeks for May box as well. So here they have this invitation card that says Shade Mubarak, our May theme. So this is what the theme of May month is. And in the 900 box, they have a full-sized kurti with choice of design and color. Here are some sneak peeks for you guys. Definitely looking forward to this edition. On the back of the envelope, there is a coupon code. It says use code Adivayan and get 20% additional discount on all fuchsia full-size products. So if you're planning to buy any of the fuchsia products, definitely use this code and avail the offer. So overall, I am happy with the Ayan Mini Box, and if any of you guys liked it and want to order it for yourselves, then all details are mentioned in the description box below. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free and it would make me really happy. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.